I'm bringing another mind-blowing, token for us to buy and print dollars. This is called BabyWikicat. BabyWikicat, okay? You will check the description of this video. You see the contract address, okay? Don't fail to carry out your own diligent research or analysis. Invest what you can always afford, okay? And don't be greedy. Not a financial advice. So BabyWikicat is another banger, and bring it to your ways tonight. It's another banger that is going to print dollars, and it has started printing. Not it's going to. It has started printing dollars to those that bought before now. So you that is, yeah, that is seeing this video, is not late. You are not late to buy. Just monitor the market. Once it's done, you do what? You go in and buy. Look for a good entry. Take position. Are you getting it? So this is called BabyWikicat on BSC blockchain. It's on BSC. Let me show you guys. It's on BSC what? Blockchain. So don't think it's on Ethereum that has the high gas fee like that. Okay, just check it. It's on PancakeSwap. You can equally copy the contract address now. Go to Penny Wallet and buy it. You can equally buy it from Penny Wallet. Excuse me, or PancakeSwap exchange. Are you getting it? Good. This project or token, the liquidity is also locked. It's locked. The fully diluted volume is $16,000. See it here. The market cap is $16,000 too. Okay, in the past 24 hours, it pumped 11%. In the past 6 hours, it pumped 7%. In the past 1 hour, I hope you can see it, but it pumped 0.36%. Okay, so this is the total transaction that are taking place, 1,667. This is the buy and sells. The buy volume and the sales volume. Buy volume is $500, while sell volume is $252. Are you getting it? All right, so let's proceed. Can equally add it to your watch list so that the moment you start pumping, you get a notification. Activate this. Check them out on X. Check them out on Telegram. Check them out here. Okay, check their charts and see what is happening there. Okay, I don't want this video to be long. It's not a new project. Check out here. This pair token was created 2 years, 7 months, 20 days ago. 2 years and 7 months, 20 days ago. That was when this token was created. Alright, this BabyWikicat, you can equally come here to copy the contract address. It's on BSC network or blockchain. Check them out on Twitter also. Okay, please don't fail to invest what you can afford to lose, please. So I'm not forcing anybody to put in money, but remember, this is bull run. Invest what you can afford to lose. If you know what you can afford to lose is $2, invest. If you know what you can afford to lose is $5, $10, $20, $50, invest. So I do not come back and say, this project treated you bad. Invest what you know that in case anything happens at the middle of the road, you can equally walk away. You can equally have a peace of mind. You can equally sleep well. Okay, don't invest what you invest. At the end of the day, if something happens, your BP will rise. Please, don't. Let's go down. Check out the thing. That's why I say invest. So just throw in small dollar into it, as small as you can invest. Check out the security. Though there are some projects that will have some issues like this, they still pump and print dollars to your community. Okay. As time goes on, the team will work on the project. Token Sniffer is scoring this project 75%. Let me run the analysis on Token Sniffer now. Let me run analysis on Token Sniffer. Okay, this baby cat. Now let me check how many. Let me check 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 billion is how much? $0.1. Okay, let me check out. Let me type 10 0. This is 10 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is this 10 billion. So with the $1, you can get 10 billion pieces of BabyWikicat. With $10, you can get $1.81 worth of Wikicat. Let me say, let's check out $50, 50 billion. of this baby Wikicat. So with $9, with $9, I mean $9 will give you 50B of baby Wikicat. $9 will give you 50B of baby Wikicat. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Okay, so let's run this same analysis on token sniffer. This is the token here. Okay, this is it, baby Wikicat. It's on BSC project. As a BSC project, don't mind me. It's on BSC blockchain. Okay, so token sniffer scored this project 65 over 100. Check out when this token got deployed, when it got listed. Okay, check it out. 14th January 2023. Okay, good. You can equally run analysis on this BSC scan, and also desk screener. These are one of the tools that enable you to carry out a good fundamental analysis on this or any token of your choice before putting in your money. Okay, so desk screener now is telling us, look at here, say token is sellable. You can sell this token. Token sniffer is telling us here that this project is not a honeypot. Check out here. It's telling us that this project is not, check out here, not a honeypot at this time. Oh, they don't know tomorrow. Now, can you sell this project? Yes, it's sellable. Okay, the buy fee is less than 5%. Okay. Analysis. They have a verified contract address. Are you seeing it? They have a verified contract address. The contract address is verified. The source doesn't contain a maximum transaction amount. So let's go down. Let's check out whether the ownership is renounced. The ownership is renounced. So that's it. Another thing. Let's check out the liquidity. Let's check out. It say token locked. 4% is locked. Can you see it? 4% is locked. Okay. 91% is burnt. 91% burnt. Okay. Let's go check out the liquidity. They have 6.32 current liquidity, 6.32 BNB on PancakeSwap V2. Okay. They have at least 35% of largest pool liquidity, bonds or locked for 15 days or longer than that. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, comment, like and share. Comment any challenge, drop in the comment section. I'll answer you. Thank you so much.